Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to block and report users on Depop. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in depop.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Depop if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the search bar where you can go and search for anything that you would like of course. In the top right corner, we have the sell now, we have the messages, your likes, and of course everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and block and report users on Depop. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So blocking and reporting users on Depop is straightforward, and you can do it by going to the user shop, navigate to the profile of the user you want to block. So for instance, we need to of course and go and find a user. For instance, let's go on these jeans here, click on this, then go to the user. Here we have the user. Then when you're here, select the three dots, tap the two dots in the top right corner on their profile. Choose the option block this user. This will immediately block the user, preventing them from viewing your shop items and stopping any further messages between the two of you. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.